Today, we're going to move through the body slowly, not to fix anything or to change anything, but to remind you of something you may have forgotten. That abundance already lives inside you. That is not somewhere out there waiting. It's here. It's always been here. So let's begin. Close your eyes and take a long, slow breath. In through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the weight of your body held by the chair, the floor, the earth beneath you. Slowly bring your awareness to the top of your head. Soften there. Notice any tension and just breathe a little warmth into it. Imagine a quiet golden light beginning at the crown, steady, unhurried, and generous. Let the light move slowly down your forehead, your temples, the space behind your eyes. Soften your jaw. Let your tongue rest easy. So much of what we carry in our faces. Let it rest now. Down through your throat, the place of voice, of expression, of asking and receiving. Breathe into it. You are allowed to ask for what you need. You are allowed to receive it. Now down into your chest and your heart. Pause here. This is where abundance truly lives. Not in bank accounts, not in outcomes, but in your capacity to love, to feel, to be moved by this life. That capacity is enormous. It is inexhaustible. Feel how full it already is. Let the light continue through your belly, your hips, your hands which have built things, held people, created beauty. Your legs, which have carried you through every hard day you thought you couldn't survive. And you did. All the way down to the soles of your feet. Rooted, present, here. Take one full breath now, feeling the whole length of your body. from crown to soul as a place of wholeness. You are not lacking. You are not behind. You are a living, breathing expression of life itself. And that is the most abundant thing there is. Rest here as long as you need. When you're ready, open your eyes slowly and carry this softness with you.